Hey, this is Rob Ross here with the Ross Group and Potomac Mortgage. If you're watching this video, you've either done a pre-qualification for a new home purchase or a refinance with either myself or my partner, Jamie Young. I actually formed the Ross Group back in 2004 and added Jamie as a senior loan officer to better help our expanding clientele. And we're very grateful that you've chosen us for the four-year pre-qualification at this time. The email that is below the link to this video is going to give you a very detailed breakdown of everything from down payment to who your real estate agent is, closing costs, and so forth. There's also two attachments to that email. The first being a loan summary, which is going to give you a breakdown of your monthly payments and your cash required for closing. The second attachment is a loan pre-qualification letter. Now you can use this to make an offer on a home. We actually recommend that you call us back before you make that offer and let us tailor a specific letter for the amount you want to offer in the specific property you're interested in. On this video, to the right-hand side is, or the right-hand side I should say, is a few links. One is for a purchase checklist and one is for a refinance checklist. So go ahead and download the one to your desktop that pertains to your transaction, and that's going to give you a head start on getting together some of the documents that we're going to need to take your loan from a pre-qualification to a full loan approval. Again, we're very grateful and happy that you've chosen to work with us. We promise you're going to have a smooth transaction throughout the whole entire process, and never hesitate to call with any questions at all. My cell phone number is 703-568-3749. Rob Ross with the Ross Group. We're always working together to serve you better. Have a great day, and we'll talk with you soon.